So I wanted to film this flip through super briefly. I had the opportunity to play. I was feeling well enough to play the other day, so I put this all together. This is with, sorry, I'm still out of breath because I just came up the stairs, but I was able to put this together with some of the new pieces from the Mummy Lay Little Bits kit. It just arrived the other day. So in here, you're actually going to see bits and pieces from past kits, and this is just kind of all thrown together for now. I am going to bring this with me. These that you see here on my dashboard, they're actually sticky notes, so I thought that was kind of fun. I just put them down and laminated them. And these are the See Amy Draw collab inserts, and what I did here was, because this is a pocket size, these work perfectly for this. Now, because this clear plastic cover doesn't have pockets, I needed to make pockets. I took a journaling card, this is from last June, washi tape, so I didn't necessarily have to punch into the card, although I obviously measured wrong. Not the end of the world. And then I took a Target dollar spot pocket and cut it down. So now this is like a little bookmark that I can put anywhere in here, and it works on the bottom hole, or you could pull it, put it up one. This is one of my new Ollie block clips, and this is how I printed them, so that if there's bleed through, it's not like the end of the world, because each one is its own page. And then this is, I forget, normally I'm really good at knowing which month, which kit every little thing came from, but just because I have been so unwell, my brain is a little bit frazzled, so I can't go through and say, oh, this is from this specific kit like I normally can. I'm so sorry about that, guys. This is from the brand new Simply Gilded box, all of these, and I thought they were really bright and fun and would go well in this. And then this is just like an Ally Express type washi tape, and what's nice is these little jellyfish, it's perforated, so you can just rip off a piece, and I thought it was really cute, this kit. And then this is a No More, they did bring it back once, Ollie block clip, and it looks like scales. This was supposed to be like mermaid, and the other side was abalone. That's what they were calling it. You know what, let me take this off so that you can see. I did another one with the Simply Gilded washi. And then I bought these inserts. I bought the pocket rings from Annie Plans. These are the ones that come in the B6 in the kit. This was from Michael's, and these were just like all Ally Express. Now this is really fun, because when I bought this, I did not know that this barrel was matte. I've never had one that's matte, but this is Couture pens. I am hoping that my new order gets here before I go away, but ultimately, unless I get a shipping notification today, it's just not gonna happen. She is in Canada, and I bought during the Planner Boss Collective sale, so I'm not kind of holding my breath for that, but she has a mermaid theme pen that would be so cute. Though I do love this with all of these, and this was like, oh gosh, not last February, but like the February or January before that. This was like from the first ever digital kit. And then I just took one of the pockets and I put it on sideways so that I could slip stickers and stuff there. I tried to have the pockets opening towards the inside. Now, obviously, you could have them opening towards the outside. That would make it easier to get into, and then just use a clip over the outside, and that would keep everything in there. You never have to worry about losing anything. Then I made some coloring pages, and this is like so old. This is from the first ever kit. Not the first ever kit, I'm sorry, the second kit. Yeah, this is supposed to be a PNG, but it won't. Like, I can take the time to go through and make this all white, but I'm lazy. It's not printing properly for some reason. So just some coloring sheets, and then this is from last June, and I made them this size. I wanted them to fit in a pocket, and I wanted it so that like I could glue it to a page if I needed to or wanted to. This was from, I want to say this one was from the previous mermaid kit, which was, okay, so the other paper must have been from January, so this would be February, right? Of the previous year. And that's just a sticky note. June, last June. And then to hold this down, it's a sticky note, and it'll pretty much stay on its own, but what I did was I put repositionable tape on the back side so that I can pull the whole thing off, and then the last page I can still use it. And then this is like, I can't remember the brand, I really can't, but this one, the sunglass one, and the sun, they were all part of like a nautical beach type themed set that I found at Home Goods ages ago. So that's all I have for now. I am going to bring my micro with me when I go on vacation, but I will be bringing this one as well. We'll see which one gets more use. But as it stands, I'm really pleased with how this came out. I hope you guys like it. As always, questions, comments, please feel free to leave them down below. I love hearing from you guys. All right? Bye.